In 2020, people disagree on a lot of different topics. The protesters who gathered at the Capitol on Saturday disagree with the state's new coronavirus guidelines.
Just against the mask mandate, maybe not anti-mask, but against mandating them.
Specifically, the new guidelines that require masks in counties around the state that are considered to have high levels of coronavirus transmission.
What's the government's job? It is to preserve life, liberty, and property.
One of the groups at the protest, the Proud Boys of Utah, who are listed as one of 5 active hate groups in the state by the Southern Poverty Law Center, compared mask mandates to the government taking a person's guns away, among other things.
Those are things that they happen in other countries, they happen in socialist countries, or, but they don't happen here. This is a free country.
For some, mask mandates are an effective way to prevent the spread of the virus, especially as Utah sees record high case counts. But others like Jacob ISBELL say the mask mandates simply aren't legal.
It is completely illegal. The state mandated from Governor Herbert and even different counties who have made lockdown orders and tried to make it enforceable by fines. That's illegal. Let people choose for themselves.
Although some legal scholars point to several Supreme Court decisions that uphold a state's authority to issue public health mandates. And in a recent press conference, Governor Herbert pointed to the fact that the guidelines are public health orders rather than mandates.
I don't expect there's going to be a lot of police out looking for violators. It's a matter of it's an ordinance. It's an order from our Utah Health Department to help us all be safe and to keep our economy going. There's nothing bad about this. This is a good thing.
Proud Boys members say the government should focus on balancing life and liberty when it comes to public health guidelines and mandates.
You can't preserve life and get rid of liberty or property, right? So if to preserve life they needed a big facility, they can't come and take your home even if you have a big house, right? They can't do that. Well, I suppose in eminent domain they could.
All of the protesters gathered here at the Capitol today are from different groups, but they all share a similar message. They feel that these new guidelines represent government overreach into people's lives. In Salt Lake City, Diego Romo, Fox 13 News, Utah.